In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend display on Windows 10 2025 Full Guide. Extending your display lets you spread your desktop across multiple screens so you can keep more windows visible at once, compare documents side by side, or dedicate one monitor to video calls while you work on the other. For this walkthrough, we'll use the quickest method built right into Windows, called the project menu. This assumes your second monitor or TV is already connected and powered on. Here's how to do it using the fastest shortcut. Press the Windows key and the letter P on your keyboard at the same time. When you do, a panel slides in from the right side of the screen. This is the project menu. It shows a few options like PC screen only, duplicate, extend, and second screen only. The one we want is extend. Select extend with your mouse, or use the arrow keys to highlight it and press enter. If you're on a touchscreen, a simple tap works too. Your displays will briefly flicker as Windows applies the change. After a moment, you'll have one big desktop that spans across all connected monitors. In extended mode, each screen acts like its own workspace. Move your mouse toward the edge where your other monitor sits and the pointer will glide onto that screen. You can drag any window across, maximize it on either display, and keep different apps open on each side. If your monitors have different sizes or resolutions, that's fine. Windows keeps each screen sharp at its native resolution. A quick tip to avoid confusion. Extend is different from duplicate. Duplicate mirrors the same image on both screens, which is great for presentations. Extend gives you more space, which is what most people want for productivity. If you accidentally choose the wrong option, just press Windows key and P again and switch back to extend. If the project menu doesn't appear, make sure Windows isn't running a full screen app that might be blocking it. Exit any full screen games or videos, and try again. Also, ensure your keyboard is responsive and the Windows key is enabled. If the layout feels backward, for example, moving the mouse left makes it appear on the right monitor, you can adjust the display order later in your system settings to match how your screens are positioned on your desk. That's all there is to it. Press Windows key plus P, open the project menu, choose extend, and enjoy the extra room to work and play. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get set up faster.